North Korean leader Kim Jong-un revealed his daughter to the world for the first time on Saturday in striking photos showing the pair hand in hand inspecting the launch of the first nuclear-armed country's largest ballistic missile the day before. This was Kim's first official appearance with his daughter in state media. Kim, who himself had been absent from public view for about a month, was shown in country's main newspaper Rodong Sinmun in photos with his daughter, including one where they can be seen walking in front of the missile holding hands as it sits on a launcher. North Korea test-fired a Hwasong-17 intercontinental ballistic missile on Friday, state news agency KCNA reported on Saturday. The KCNA reported that Kim declared a resolute nuclear response to threats by the United States during the on-site inspection. The new type of the Hwasong-17 flew 999.2 kilometers for 4,135 seconds at an apogee of 6,040.9 kilometers and landed in the international waters of the East Sea, it said. What caught the attention more than the missile launch and came as a surprise for all was the presence of Kim's daughter, whose existence had never been publicly confirmed before. KCNA did not name the girl who is seen in the photographs in the white puffy coat, holding hands with the father as they look at the massive missile. This is the first observed occasion where we have seen Kim Jong-un's daughter at a public event, Michael Madden, a North Korea leadership expert at the US-based Stimson Center, said. It is highly significant and represents a certain degree of comfort on Kim Jong-un's part that he would bring her out in public in such a fashion. Ju-ae is estimated to be about 12 to 13 years of age, which means that in about 4 to 5 years she will be preparing to attend university or go into military service, Madden said. The appearance of the leader's daughter at this event could suggest fourth-generation hereditary succession and that core North Korean elites need to prepare themselves for that eventuality, Madden added. Kim is believed to have as many as 3 children, 2 girls and a boy, experts said. Some observers believed one of those children was seen in footage of celebrations for a national holiday in September. Kim was quoted as saying that the launch of the ICBM has reaffirmed his regime's acquisition of a powerful and reliable capability to counter any nuclear threat.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.